Jason Knight. I was a window cleaner, but unfortunately last year I had a terrible incident when I got electrocuted. Since my incident, it's been my mission to promote more awareness of electrocution in the industry and promote more safety. So it's my mission today to come here and give a talk to our fellow window cleaning industry how they can keep safer when they're out doing their work to promote safety and prevent them from getting electrocution.
Don't catch me eating. Oh, Dave, I want plastic all day.
My name is Shay Donnelly. We run Night Clean Products and we do everything top to bottom cleaning. So tars, pressure washers, skids, Westerman brushes, van pack systems, poles, everything from top to bottom.
Where are you based?
We're in Northern Ireland.
And will you go to the south? Will you take stuff to the south? Or?
Yes, well we ship to UK and Ireland daily. Pallets, we ship small parcels, turbo devils, poles every single day of the week. Whatever you need we can ship.
That's brilliant. Thank you very
so
much.
Dave.
Hi, my name is Isabella. I'm a social media manager for Making Products, and today I'm going to tell you about our smart bag system. So this is designed for window cleaners specifically, and it's made with really high quality materials. Actually, they use it for the army, this material. And the good thing about it is that you can build your own smart bag, because not all window cleaners use the same setup and they don't want to use it, so you can actually build it yourself. You can put whatever pouches you want to put on. We also have 3 standard already made sets. And also another good thing about it is that you can actually wash it in the machine. And it's gonna last a long time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm Terry Turbo and I'm the fastest window cleaner in the world, and today we've got the competition over there to find out who is going to be the fastest today.
Thanks, Terry.
Adam from CVS, we've got high mod carbon fibre poles, anti-spin, and yeah, the 46T carbon poles.
Brilliant, thank you very much.
So I think I found the person that's travelled for the furthest for the show. So who are you and how far have you come?
Hi, I'm Duncan McRae. I run McRae's Window Cleaning in Brisbane, Australia.
And have you come especially for the show, Duncan?
I've just come for the show.
It's a long way to come.
Oh, absolutely, but I've talked to Dave for a long time and it's so good to meet him finally in person. and to learn so much about UK window cleaning. I'm loving it.
Thanks, Duncan.
Hello, I'm Ash Baker, representing Wholesaler here. We are based down in the southwest at Exeter. We are the UK importers for the Sunbotics. So here on display we have the Sunbotics in a configuration of 1.45. So here, this is a very modular machine. We can go from a 1.1, 145, 2.1 and a 2.5 machine using the same tracks, the same modular e-box, just add in the different lengths of brushes and whips. As you can, this machine breaks down into 4 components. So you got your 2 brushes either side, which are removable via pins and clips. And then you have your center box, your e-box, which is removable with 2 handles. And then you are left with your track system.
Hi, I'm Faye from Growth Nation Biohazard Training. We offer fully CPD accredited biohazard courses and insecticide training, nicotine removal and all sorts of bits and pieces to do with specialist cleaning.
So if somebody did your training, what sort of jobs would they be getting?
They could be on needle sweeps, they could be on hoarded properties, they could be dealing with bodily fluids, unattended death cleans and all of the sort of nitty gritty stuff, you know, the really bad stuff.
So it's sort of very well paid work if you can do it, if you can get it.
It's a really high income job, yeah, absolutely. It's really well paid. Our, you know, minimum call out starts at around £1,300 upwards.
And what sort of area do you do your training in? Do they have to come to you for the training?
We do training all over the UK, so we have training courses in Wales, England and Scotland. We have different locations and we rotate them every year.
So I'm Dan, I'm Ryan, and we have the Uncleanables podcast. And we've come here today, a lot of people have seen us only online, so today's the opportunity to come over, meet us, see who we are, have a little chat with us.
And where can people find you?
YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music or Apple Podcasts, whatever it's called. Any listening platform we're on.
My name is Andrew Bramley, representing Streamline. So we have the U-over-8 pole. We've got a Kevlar base section that will give us the strength of carbon fibre, and it will give us the insulated properties that are required when you're using high-reach poles near power lines.
Hi, it's Sam from Ultra Reach. We've got our range of poles here, fully carbon fibre, anti-spin, apart from the bottom base section. We're really interested in making things safe, particularly after watching Jason Knight, the fella that had the accident last year. So we're really trying to progress the safety of things because it's becoming such a huge topic and something that we want to get right. So we've insulated the first base of our base section on the pole, and we're looking at insulating the second. We're having conversations with some of the safety guys, but we need everyone to jump on board with it.
Hi, my name is David. I'm from Affordable Scaffold Towers at Mansfield. We supply and sell the the T3 700 scaffold towers with the working height of 6.2 and can also be extended to 8.2 with 3 years warranty at a cheap price of $14.50 plus VAT.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much.
No problem, mate.
I'm Nick Palmer. I'm one of the directors at Palmer Trade Supplies. We're importing soft wash systems into the UK, so we've got a lot of skids here. We've got entry level, one batch skids. We've got the tackle here, level up. We sold our natural that goes in between, and then we've got our enchilada, our queso and our enchilada. And you've got the blend heads at the top for the different soaps which we're offering. We've got 6 different soaps and scent maskers and bleach neutralizers, which are for soft washing roofs, render. You can use it on driveways, patios and things like that.
So I'm Tom from CleanLink. Today we've got our range of water-fed poles. We just launched our ultra-high mud poles, our anti-spin poles, and we've got our standard range of Sentinel poles as well, the carbon fibre. We're also launching at the show today, we've got our new electric hose reel, which has gone down an absolute storm at the show, which is really, really good. We've designed that in such a way that any common problems with electric hose reels are completely eliminated, and they're going to go into full production in around May.
Brilliant, thanks very much.
No problem.
Hi, my name's Tom. I'm from Skywash Drones, and we are here presenting drone cleaning. And we're looking to build a network of contractors across the UK for commercial and residential cleaning, so anywhere up to 100 metres.
Hello there, my name's Ryan. We're here from HWO Restoration. We're based just down in Bromsgrove. We launched our franchise packages to go live yesterday, and we're here displaying the wares that you get if you would like to become a franchisee with the great HWO Restoration.
come from Dry Fusion and M2 Care. We've got a Dry Fusion carpet cleaning system, and we've got the M2 eccentric safety floor cleaning machine.
So what does a dry cleaning system do?
Basically, it cleans carpets of all types, carpets, broadloom carpets, carpet towels, carpet rugs and so on and so forth. Cleans, dries, protects, deodorises, 30 minutes.
I'm James from ECLM. I do online marketing and I create online booking systems.
We are Clean Manager. We do workforce management primarily for cleaning companies, but also window cleaners. So people who want to speak to us about streamlining operations, working smarter, not harder, they are more than welcome to join us and have a chat.